7 Truths About Fear You Need to Know. Fear. It's more than a reaction to a scary movie. Fear is a deep-seated emotion that leads to anxiety and worry, with the added component of adrenaline guaranteed to keep your heart in your throat and your palms sweaty. Fear can also be crippling, taking over your mind, body, and soul. But did you know there's more to fear than meets the eye? If you think you understand fear, read on to discover 7 truths about fear that you might not have realized. Fear can be good for you. There are times in our lives when we're supposed to be afraid. Fear is what keeps us from jumping off of cliffs and doing other things that might hurt us. Fear also alerts us to danger, helping us to stay safe. Fear has levels. Fear ranges from feeling a moment of trepidation all the way to full-on panicked flight. The level you're at is determined by the type of danger you perceive. You're not born with fear. Fear is generally taught by experience and from the lessons given by those around us through observation. You also learn fear from your parents and teachers when they teach us things like stranger danger or how to cross a street safely. Some fears are perfectly reasonable, rational, and necessary, while others, like phobias, might be unrealistic and even ridiculous. Fear doesn't need danger. Phobias, anxiety, and catastrophizing can be the result of poor teaching you've had in your life. In more extreme cases, you can suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder or panic attacks, which might seem to come out of nowhere. Fear feeds on itself. If you're already afraid, you can wind yourself up easily into a higher state of fear. The more you concentrate on it, the bigger it grows. Fear likes to be in charge. Fear is one of those emotions which wants to dictate what you're going to do next. The problem is, we tend to let it. Fear is a strong motivator to do things. The problem, sometimes the things fear would have us do are unnecessary or might even hold you back from trying something new. Fear builds heroes. When you're afraid and act anyway, you discover the secret to courage. This is where heroes are born. The bigger the fear, the more heroic the fight. So don't let fear hold you back. Become the hero you've always been meant to be.